Tesla has launched its own car wrap service through delivery centers starting with 5 cities in China. Tesla has reduced the number of color options on its vehicles in order to streamline production and facilitate repairs of damaged vehicles. It resulted in many owners turning to wraps in order to get different colors and differentiate their vehicle from the increasingly larger Tesla fleet. Customers rely on third-party suppliers to wrap their cars, but now Tesla is launching its own service through delivery centers in China. This is an interesting choice, as some people will say this is a literal band-aid to fix Tesla's paint problems. It will be interesting to know how much it costs and how long it takes. How long will it be under warranty? While plenty of third parties would likely jump on the opportunity, wraps aren't cheap, and if Tesla was to get involved directly, they could probably lower the cost by standardizing the wraps. Could Tesla offer this service in US as well? Let us know in the comments section.